Hello everyone. My name is Akhilesh Kumar Bhagat, and I am an instructor for board building. And I am welcoming you for this board building session one. Today we will learn about C programming. So, as I have mentioned the syllabus to you guys, first we will learn C programming, then we will go for the basics of Arduino coding, and then we will go for the hardware steps. Okay, and I will just update these things according to the live session feedbacks. So yeah, please join that live sessions so that you can just give me feedback and we can just proceed further. Okay, so uh, I will use this one Programmist for C programming part, and we will take references from W3 schools. Okay, so first of all, what is C programming? C programming is a programming language which is very close to the hardware. That's why we prefer C, and it is not complicated. It's easy, and it's like very easy to debug things. So yeah, so let's get straight to the syntax. I guess it'll be better. So, okay, first of all, we will have include stdio.h. What is that? Include means like including some files in our project. Okay. And stdio, what is it? This is standard like input output header. Okay. So stdio, standard input output files we have here. And after that, we will start our main. Okay. So this is int main in which we will write most of the code. So this is bracket open and this is bracket close. Inside this, we will write whatever code we need. Okay. So let's try this. And I will prefer you guys to just start coding with me so that you can also understand and you can also learn something. So first of all, hashtag include, then this one stdio.h. Then we will go for int main, which will be this one void, and then this. Okay, now we need to do something. So for initial thumb rule, we used to print something. So I will go for that only, which is printf bracket colon sorry double bracket. Oh, I don't know what to call this. In this hello world, and semicolon. Semicolon is very important in C programming just because this is this is very, I can say, very hectic part, but yeah, we have to do it. In programming of Python and all, we don't need this, but in C, Java and all, we need a semicolon after every line. So yeah, it's bad, but we have to face it. Anyways, after this, we will maybe we can run this one as well. This will work. But you have seen here, right? This is return 0. So what happened is, as I just told you, this is very close to hardware. So we prefer to whatever thing we will do, we will close the files. Okay. For that only, we print return 0, like we write return 0, so that it will close up everything. Okay. So yeah. Uh, Now I think this part is done, and in the next session, I will just move forward with some base videos. So I will just take some small videos. It will not like a very half an hour long video. So whenever you will get some time, just watch 5-minute videos. So it will be beneficial for you. Thank you.